Mommy Blogger here. I got this sample actually, which really surprised me because it's a full kit. It's Hyland's for Kids Cold and Cough Day and Night Value Pack. I did a survey on Review Warrior on Facebook as being a member in one of their groups, and unfortunately Alexis is not feeling too well today, so therefore we're going to give it a go. I'll be trying out today the nighttime cold and cough. One thing so far I like about this is the age. Now, normally at 2 years old, they do not allow you to take any kind of medication until your child is about 6 years old. But everything here is natural. It's homeopathic. So therefore, it has all natural ingredients. So I'm going to try it out. She has a little bit of a congestion and she has a sore throat. One thing it does supposed to suit is chest congestion, occasional sleepiness, a runny nose, sore throat, sneezing, and a cough. So hopefully I can sleep well tonight, you guys. I'm so exhausted from the regular work week, and sleep is a mom's best friend. So the recommended dose is children 2 years to under 6 years is 5 ml or 1 teaspoon up to 6 times per day every 4 hours. And children 6 years to under 12 years is 10 ml or 2 teaspoons up to 6 times per day every 4 hours. So I'm looking forward to trying this baby out tonight. Again, it is Hyland's for Kids Cold and Cough Day and Night Value Pack. Thank you so much for watching me feed the Mommy Blogger. Follow me on Instagram at lovinfee. That's LOVINFEE. And please like my video and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.